Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to another video. So today's video is all about a job in Switzerland that is so lucrative that I couldn't just pass on it. I just had to make this video for you guys. So I get a lot of emails, people saying they want to move to Switzerland. So this is a very good opportunity. Working in Switzerland is like being part of a fairy tale movie. Switzerland is so beautiful and living there is like a dream. So this job is super high paying. You're going to be earning about $8,500 every month, and the requirements to get in is not so tedious. So if you're interested in working in Switzerland and earning as much as $8,500 every month, then please do watch this video to the end. If we're just meeting, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Here I share information to assist you move abroad. So please do subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. And if it's your first time here, please let me know in the comments. I always have something special for first timers. So just type below, it is my first time, and I welcome you specially to the channel. And if you would like me to assist you move abroad personally, because that is what I do, I help family and friends move abroad. So if you want me to handle the entire process for you, then do send me an email so we can talk about that. Or if you just need me to guide you on what pathway is best for you, you can book a one-on-one consultation with me and we get to talk over a call. So my email address is on the screen and also in the description box below. Also follow me on Instagram because I share a lot of information on Instagram that does not make it to YouTube. And also follow me on Facebook as well. Follow me on all social media platforms because there is information that may not be on YouTube but may be on Instagram and on Facebook. Please give the video a thumbs up. Let's just take a second to hit the like button and share the video with everyone you know so they too can take advantage of this opportunity. Before we go forward, let me share this vital information with you. Do you want to make $1,000 every month? I have the perfect side hustle for you. Everybody can do this. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You don't need to quit your job. It is an online business and one where you get to earn passive income every month forever. It is passive income because you're putting in the work just once and you're getting paid every month. This side hustle is becoming a publisher online, and you don't need to be a writer to do this because you're actually not writing any book. You're not editing any book. All you need to do is to buy these already formatted and edited manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. Buy your manuscripts from stackly.com and publish them on e-commerce platforms like Amazon KDP, Apple Books, Google Play Books, Lulu, and Barnes and Noble. So you're putting in the work just once. You're buying your manuscripts just once, publishing them just once, and then you sit back and earn every month for the rest of your life. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There's a pack of 30 manuscripts, 60 manuscripts, 150, and 300 manuscripts. So feel free to buy any of these manuscripts that you can afford. I personally published the 300 pack of manuscripts, so I highly recommend that one. So if you want to go all in, then please go for the pack of 300, but feel free to purchase any one you like. You'll still get to earn passive income every month. And Stackly has been gracious enough to put together a free training for those that want to publish on Amazon KDP. And if you want to join an exclusive group of KDP publishers from around the world, please do send me an email after you have purchased your manuscripts and I will add you to the group. Again, it is www.stackly.com. All the links are in the description box below. All right, you're welcome back. So who wants to move to Switzerland? Let me know in the comments. Just type I want to move to Switzerland in the comments right now. Before we even go further, just type that in the comments. Okay, so this is a paid fellowship in Switzerland. So it is a job. It's a paid job. Okay, we're going to be seeing the job description. And they have opened up calling for applications for people from all around the world. Let's just start with the benefits, what they're offering. Let's start from there so you can know if it is worth your time, okay? So here is what they're offering: an employment contract of, in principle, 24 months with a possible extension up to 34 months. So they're giving you a 2-year work contract, which can be extended to 3 years. So let's say 3 years on this job working in Switzerland. And then you're going to be getting on-the-job and formal training at CERN, as well as in-house language courses for English and or French. A monthly stipend ranging between 6,287 and 6,911 Swiss francs. And the Swiss francs is higher than the US dollars. So where you're earning 6,911 Swiss francs, that is approximately $8,500 every month. I think that is good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And then a coverage by CERN's comprehensive health scheme for yourself, your spouse, and children, and membership of the CERN pension fund. So from this, you can see that you can move with your family since they're giving health insurance for you, the applicant, your spouse, and your children. All right, so you can move with your family. So depending on your individual circumstances, installation grants, family, child, and infant allowances, payment of travel expenses at the beginning and end of contract. So you're getting your flight tickets from your country to Switzerland. You're getting what else? Allowances for your dependents. So it's a full visa sponsorship with relocations grants, relocation support. It's super amazing. And then you're going to be getting 30 days of paid leave every year. So this is what you stand to gain from this opportunity, from this job. So let me know, is it juicy enough? Do you like it? Are you going to be applying for it? Let me know in the comments, all right? So let us go to the beginning to see what this opportunity is all about. This is the CERN Post-Career Break Fellowship. Yeah, it is happening in Geneva, Switzerland, and it's a full-time position. So let's see the company description. At CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, Physics and Engineers are probing the fundamental structure of the universe. Using the world's largest and most complex scientific instruments, they study the basic constituents of matter, fundamental particles that are made to collide together at close to the speed of light. The process gives physicists clues about how particles interact and provides insights into the fundamental laws of nature. Diversity has been an integral part of CERN's mission since its foundation and is an established value of the organization. So this fellowship, this post-career break fellowship program, is a full-time fellowship to science and engineering graduates looking for a way back into science. Yeah, this is an outstanding chance for you to update your knowledge and skills working for up to 3 years in an international environment at the forefront of research. So let's look at the qualifications. You have been on a career break for personal reasons, for example, for family or caring responsibilities, health issues, for at least 2 years. So if you've had a career break for at least 2 years, then you're eligible. And then you have an experienced graduate profile for nationals of member or associate member states with a master's degree and between 2 and 6 years experience, or a PhD with up to 3 years of relevant experience. You get that? So if you have a master's degree, you should have at least 2 years of experience, 2 to 6 years of experience. So how do you apply? Very easy. You need your CV, okay? So have a Europass CV. If you need me to assist you to update your CV for this, please send me an email. I'll be more than happy to update your CV for you. And then a letter covering your experience and career break and how your research interests and skills relate to CERN's diverse activities. And then a scanned PDF of your most recent relevant qualification. So these are basically the 3 things you need to apply for this: your CV, your cover letter, and your diploma. That is your qualification, yeah? So they've said that you should apply before September 7, and this is going to start on the 1st of January. The earliest expected start date for selected candidates is 1st of January 2026. So by January, you could be in Switzerland living your dream life, working and earning a big salary with your family, of course. So let me know, are you interested in moving to Switzerland with your family? Or if you're single, you can still get this done. I saw a comment on one video I did where I said, move abroad with your family. And the person was like, oh, I'm single. Can I apply? Yes, you can. Okay. You can apply for anything and everything out there. It is people with families that usually have restrictions because some things may not accommodate families. So any opportunity you see on my channel, if you're a single, you can apply. And then there's another comment I usually see as well. They'll say, I'm a single mother. Can I apply? Yes, being a mother doesn't stop you from applying for opportunities or taking advantage of opportunities. You have equal rights to everything. Okay, so please do apply. So to apply for this, just click on this link right here that says I'm interested. All right. So this is the post-career break fellowship. So you can just Google that. CERN post-career break fellowship. Okay, so that's it. Let me know in the comments, will you be applying for this? Are you interested? Don't forget to also give the video a thumbs up, by the way, and share the video with others so they too can apply for this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos when I post them. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie. Let us see you in the next one. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.